all you see it after one.
The vehicles you see here, the owners are all members of the Military Vehicle Trust, which is an organisation to keep old military vehicles on the road. So a lot of the vehicles you see today have been restored by their owners, and it's one of those things that's ongoing, and when you see a display like this, it fits into the era that Elaine Lyons has tried to create for the market area. Well, the majority of lads are enthusiastic about old military vehicles, so the idea is to keep them on the road rather than just be shown or in a museum. And all the vehicles you see here are used through the summer months, and some of us use them through the winter as well. So it's the pleasure you get out of driving and using old vehicles that keeps them on the road. Usually we get a lot of favourable inquiries, and a lot of older guys still remember them from years ago, and very occasionally now we get some veterans who used to drive some of these old wartime ones, but as you know, they're getting older and there's fewer on the ground. But it's nice for younger people to see what used to be used through the military over the years. But we think it's important just to keep it as virtually a living history, so the younger generation can see and physically see them and handle them and sit in them and get a bit of experience of what vehicles were like all those years ago.